Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about the day 2 shapes, height, slope, and formation of volcanoes under week 2 of quarter 3 science 8. Objectives: identify the different types of volcanoes. Appreciate the importance of understanding the relationship of the role of plates interaction in the formation of the volcanoes and a level in for activity. Volcano shapes showdown. Okay, tingnan natin itong picture. Okay, based on the picture, which one looks tallest? Alin ang pinakamatangkad sa tingin niyo? And which one looks the widest? And which one do you think erupts the most violently? Okay, we have the three types of volcano: composite, shield, and cinder cone. Okay, tingnan natin yung pagkakaiba. Yung shield volcano in terms of shape, broad and dome shaped. Yung cinder cone volcano, cone shaped and small. And yung composite is tall and symmetrical. So for the height, yung shield volcano is low to moderate, cinder cone is low, and composite is high. In terms of slope, shield volcano is gentle, and cinder cone volcano is steep, and composite is steep at top, gentle at base. In terms of formation process, the shield volcano formed by flowing basaltic lava, and cinder cone formed by explosive eruptions of ash and cinders, while composite and alternating layers of lava and ash. Example of shield is the Mauna Loa in Hawaii, and cinder cone is in Mexico, and the composite is Mount Mayon in the Philippines and Mount Fuji in Japan. Notice how the slope and height affects eruption style. Shield volcanoes have calm lava flows, while composite volcanoes can erupt explosively. What's happening beneath us? Okay, the role of plate interactions in forming volcanoes. The Earth's crust is made up of large moving plates called tectonic plates. These plates fit together like puzzle pieces and constantly move, although very slowly. When they interact, they create different landforms, including volcanoes. So here are the three ways plate movements form volcanoes. For number 1, convergent. Pag sinabi natin convergent, two plates collide or nagbanggaan. So the denser oceanic plate sink beneath the lighter continental plate. Pag nagbanggaan po ang continental and oceanic plate, siyempre mas mataas ang density nitong oceanic, siya yung iilalim. So the sinking plate melts and forms magma that rises to the surface, causing explosive volcanic eruption. Yung plate na umilalim papunta sa mantle, matutunaw yun. So ang tendency po niya is ibubuga siya palabas. So example is the Mount Mayon in the Philippines and Mount Fuji in Japan. Yung oceanic to oceanic and continental and oceanic. So kapag nagbanggaan po ang oceanic to oceanic, nakakabuo din siya ng volcano. Pag nagbanggaan ng oceanic to continental, nakakabuo din siya ng volcano. Okay, sa divergent boundary naman tayo. Pag sinabing divergent, two plates move apart or creating a gap. So magma rises through the opening, forming new crust and gentle volcanoes. So actually kung bakit may divergent boundary, it's because of the spreading, the seafloor spreading, yung paglabas ng magma doon sa ilalim ng doon sa gap. Yun ang nagko-cause ng paggalaw ng dalawang plates, kaya naglalayuan sila or lumalayo sa isa't isa. So ang isa pong example is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So magma rises through the opening, forming the new crust and gentle volcanoes. So pangatlo po is hotspot. So magma from deep inside the earth breaks through a weak spot in the plate. Halimbawa yung manipis na part, usually po itong nangyayari sa ilalim ng dagat, sa oceanic crust, kasi nga ay manipis lang. So as the plate moves, a chain of volcanoes form over time, kagaya ng Hawaiian Island. What can we learn from this lesson? Okay, volcanoes form mainly where plates move apart. So karaniwan ng nabubuo pang bulkan, kung ano natin ay dun sa boundary, sa lithospheric plate boundary or sa fault line. So the type of volcano depends on how magma behaves and how often it erupts. Convergent boundaries often form explosive stratovolcanoes, while divergent boundaries form gentler shield volcanoes. Over time, repeated eruption build and shape the Earth's surface, even forming new islands.